China is one of the fastest growing countries in the world. Due to its strong industry, technology, and business sectors, millions of jobs are created every year. In today's video, we will explore the biggest and most popular jobs in China. China is known as the world's factory. It produces electronics, clothing, toys, and various machinery. There is a high demand for both skilled and unskilled workers in factories. China is also very advanced in technology. There are many job opportunities in IT, software development, artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics. This sector offers high salaries and fast career growth. There is a high demand for foreign English teachers in China. You can work in schools and training centers as an English teacher. If you have good English skills, this is a great opportunity. China is constantly building new cities, roads, and buildings. That's why construction workers, engineers, and architects are always needed. Online shopping is very popular in China. There are many job opportunities for delivery workers, warehouse staff, and customer service employees. This sector is growing very fast. Doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers are always in demand. China's healthcare sector is developing rapidly, creating more job opportunities. There are many job opportunities in different sectors in China. Whether you are skilled or unskilled, you can find work there. If you are planning to work abroad, China can be a great option. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay with our channel for more videos like this.